Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm gearing up for Cadabra 2018. It's the 22nd through the 25th of August in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. That's right. But I'm going to be lecturing on spring stakes. I have a kid talk, kid biz, kid something, where we're going to do a short lecture. We're going to teach you how to entertain with spring stakes. This is one of those things you'll need to bring with you if you want to. This is a perfect container for it. It is a 12-ounce stainless steel container. I am in CVS, and they are $11.99. They might be cheaper on sale. This one says best teacher ever. There's an American flag right here. There is Happy Camper right there. And the blank one, oh, actually this one says life is a beautiful ride. These are awesome because once you get inside, it's very smooth and ready to go. So there it is, your tip of the day for spring stakes. We'll see you in August at the Pigeon Forge Music Road Hotel. See you there.